Alright, so now the trip starts to Chiang Mai from Bangkok. So let's have a trip to Chiang Mai. Chiang Rai. Hi. From this warm weather, maybe it's getting colder up there. The sun is very warm here, at least. Okay, let's go. So now I am over halfway to Chiang Mai, and I found a friend here. He very nice. So we need to stop here because the time is already 12 o'clock. So let's check out the room. 400 baht for this room. 400 baht. Okay, not bad. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Have a big refrigerator, a bathroom. Hey, where did you come from?
I come from the wall.
Can you jump in the bed and check the...
My back will be pain.
Hey, wow. Oi, that bed looks very hard, huh?
Very spring.
Oi.
It's spring.
Yeah. Even have a little small sofa. Same aircon like I have in my home. In my home.
I said.
Yeah. It's good.
Big refrigerator.
400 baht. Well, not bad.
Yeah.
One night here, halfway to Chiang Mai. This room looks good. Good for stop by on the way. The name is Loft 33. E-Loft, is it?
ตรงไหนก็ได้ค่ะ
Yeah, Loft 33. It's good. Only 4 hours and 40 minutes left to Chiang Mai.
60 baht
60 baht. Fried rice is
50 baht
50 baht. Nice. So a little stop here and a little bit over halfway to Chiang Mai to have some juice and toilet. And someone need to have her Amazon addicted. Huh? Amazon addicted, ba? Oh, now she ready. All right, let's go. Just arrived here in Chiang Mai, part of Chiang Mai in the mountain here. So let's see which room we got here. 1200 baht for this. It's not very luxury, but it can do. So just a bed and a bathroom. So it's included breakfast. So, but this area is very nice when you go around here. Many tourists here. Okay, let's test it.
ลงต่อแต่ดิแป๊บนึงเจ๊ถ่ายคลิปก่อนเอาใหม่ไปนี่
Try to test the bed here. It looks very hard. Jump in.
It's very rubber.
Jump in.
It's better than last night.
Is
It's
it?
my bed.
Is it?
It's my bed in Bangkok.
Oh,
It's
okay.
rubber.
Let's
Better than
see.
that spring.
They have a... What is this? I hear some waterfall. Or some river. Oh yeah. What? Huh? It's a lot colder here. What is it? Up there?
Yeah, the room up there.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
No smell.
I'll bite you.
Where they have cap
Oh,
I should have it. แต่หมวก
you
ได้แต่
have
ว่าไม่หมวกก็ได้
you have in
แต่ไม่หมวกเลยนี่
เห็นปะ
แทนใช่
very uphill
โอเคไหม
here in
ไหนที่มีชีวิต
the mountain of Chiang Mai.
แม่
Chiang Mai.
กำปองค่ะ
อ๋อออกจากซอยขึ้นนู่น ออกจากซอยขึ้นนู่นเจ๊บ่เป็นทางนี้
We go to the wrong way
Ah.
sorry That's way for the coffee
Okay. Many house and hotel room in the mountains, and it's very uphill. But very good view from there. Coffee.
in the middle there
Yeah. Cafeteria here. Yeah.
where we are in the
Where we are. This place. I cannot read it. What?
down
Huh?
in down
Okay.
AING in
Can you read the name?
อิงดาวแม่กำปอง
Okay. Going here in the woods, you can find some river coming out from the mountain here. They probably have some waterfall. Yeah. Ah. Oh. There, in this area, they have a waterfall. Mae Kampong Waterfall. Yeah, let's see if we can find it. Yeah, just walk a little bit in from there. Just find a small waterfall here. Maybe it's bigger when you come higher up. It's good from there.
น่านั่นไง they are smoking
Oh yeah. Like this.
ได้แล้ว
Yeah. Come on. Show the muscle. Go up on the top to see how it looks from upstairs, from above. So as we walk by, it's even more lovelier. Yeah, looks good. Looks better over here. Yeah,
Let's do it
yeah. And even higher up.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
they will be in the YouTube
Yeah. Oop. All right. Yeah, this one is long. Long, long. Yeah. Are you tired? What? Yeah.
Full and fresh.
Okay. This place is very nice. Oh, maybe from here. Yeah. I think this place is very good. Turn around. Look at that. Hi.
We are at น้ำตกแม่กำปองเชียงใหม่
Chiang Mai.
Now the weather is around how many degrees?
I don't know, but it's colder up here. In the evening. In the daytime, it's actually 31 degrees.
Yeah.
But
After the sun gone.
I feel I need to put more clothes on before we go out. But when we walk up here in the mountain, it's getting very hot. It's too early. But we went to the waterfall here. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's explore Chiang Mai.
Chiang Mai.
Just go with us and we will show you some more about Pai.
Bye. Tomorrow we go to Pai.
Pai. And then
We
after
go to hot spring.
hot spring. Oh, I really love hot spring.
Treatment the body.
And that hot spring look very good and
Very
big.
hot. Very hot.
Yeah.
Be careful. The egg will cook.
Yeah. Okay, don't cook my egg. Okay, let's go to the other people. Let's go.
Very hot, I remember.
Very cool. Sit and eat there. Cocktail. Nice area. Very steep. It will look very good in the night, I think, when the lights go on everywhere. Let's see. Yeah, so if you take your trip to Chiang Mai, you should visit Mae Kampong. It's a famous mountain village in the Chiang Mai province. So this mountain is about 1,300 meters above the sea level, and it's only 50 kilometers from Chiang Mai main area. And this village is very popular and famous in Chiang Mai. So to visit there is very nice. I think you should take the trip to this place for a day or just overnight there like we do. It looks very nice in the evening also when the dark coming a little bit. Yeah, the light on the houses look nice as you see in the video. And but if you come from the south, then you should bring some clothes because it's cold in the night there compared to Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Hawaiian, everywhere from this area. So they had the waterfall here was very nice. I only the waterfall is worth the trip, and the houses, the three houses here is built like stairs, like yeah, like a stair. How to say? Uh, Up in the hill. So you have a many level with houses, and yeah, a very good view from there also. Yeah, nothing much more to say other than what you see in this video. Yeah, you can just ask in the comment field if there is any question. I can try to answer if there is any, and yeah, enjoy, guys. Cheers. How about how about you going to eat here? Bugata. Huh?
หม่าล่า
Okay. Go upstairs and more view. Oh. Okay, so we're going to eat at this restaurant we sit now. It's similar to that one, but that one is very high. Probably a better view, but this one is also look good. Have a little bit more view from the street.
It's true.
What? Are you high?
The picture is true.
And now it's
หมูกระทะ
Bogota
we eat หมู
here.
กระทะ set small set 299
Oh,
not หมูกระทะ shabu
shabu.
they have two soup like black soup normal soup and mala soup
Yep. This place name, what does that say?
แม่กำปอง
Hmm?
แม่กำปอง
Khao Ba Flying.
เก้าบาเฟืองเก้าบาเฟือง
Okay. Okay, so this is what we start with. Bogota. Let's see how it turns out to be. Look very good up there. So then let's start cooking. Let's start cooking. There are a lot of food. And Bogota here in the north, Chiang Mai.
it's yours
In the evening coming, and it looks good. Yeah. A little bit later, and the lights shows more. Huh?
พี่นัทฟู
You not full?
กินของร้านตามเดิมไทยพี่อีทอร่อย
Cute.
พี่อีทอร่อยกินอะไรต่อข้าวซอยต่ออุ้ยมีขนมจีนน้ำเงี้ยวด้วย This the menu non coffee
Yeah.
honey lemon tea สตรอเบอรี่
Stone. What is this fish?
อะไรนะจ๊ะ
What is fish inside there?
fish
I don't know.
ไม่ใช่ this is sweet potato
Oh, sweet potato.
this
Oh,
one.
stone.
49 baht per 100 gram
Oh, I see.
very sweet honey แล้วก็สตรอเบอรี่ he said not full
Yeah.
oh my god
You hungry? Not eat since morning.
he eat that maybe he could burn
I think so. Here you get meal for 80 baht. 110. A little bit cheaper than 650.
หมูกระทะ
I like those here. Mm-hmm.
น่ารักมาก
Yeah.
แอบตัวอย่าง
โอลิเวียไหม no ไม่ใช่ น่ารัก There are many homestay. How to say? It's not a hotel. It's a homestay. หนาวอยู่ด้วยนี่รอบไปใต้
Have the wildlings.
ดูกันหน่อย
Yeah.
รอคอยวันเวลาให้โชคชะตาเราจะเศร้าไปหน่อยนะฝึกร้องเพลงจะไปประกวดร้องเพลง
หนาวแล้วเนี่ยโคแล้ว Do you feel?
But I have more clothes on now, so. So as you see, all the clothes on here in the northern Thailand, Chiang Mai.
แม่กำปองค่ะ Now we are walking in the night time.
Yeah, the night is coming here.
There are many interesting local food.
Yeah,
With หมู
very full. Yeah. And we eat here at this restaurant. So. Here you have the food that you have been here. Ice cream. Yeah, the prices here are maybe a little bit higher. Yeah, yeah, look,
Nothing
pretty nice.
after eating.
Yeah. Many nice building. Oh yeah. Let's see. Can we walk up here? Can you do it?
อะไรนะ
Can you walk up here? It's very steep.
I walk 3 leg now 4 leg now
Yeah. Are you drunk? Mommy? Mau, Mai? Mau.
This very good for exercise.
Yeah. Should run up this hill.
I can but not full with stomach.
You can. Okay, show. Yeah, not bad. Lovely. The building here are very cool for that area. Here they have cocktails. And the men sit there yesterday and today also alone. Yeah, see the houses up here. Now they get lights, more and more light. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. I remember we live up here. Okay. Yeah, it looks better in the night. 1,200 baht with breakfast per room.